Charting Reflection Podcast, Episode 2, Candlestick Clarity and Market Structure Mastery. Welcome back to the Charting Reflection Podcast, the space where traders sharpen their edge not just through strategy, but through clarity of thought. Today's episode is foundational. We're talking about the building blocks of trading, Japanese candlesticks and market structure. Two powerful tools, two essential lenses. Let's get started. Every chart tells a story. But here's the thing most traders miss. They read the price, not the narrative. When you open a chart, what do you see? If it's just shapes and lines, you're missing the plot. Each candlestick speaks. Let me give you a simple framework. A large body shows momentum. Someone is in control. Wicks tell you about rejection. Buyers or sellers stepped in, but failed to hold. Closes near the high or low reveal confidence or weakness. But more important than individual candles is how they interact. You might see a bullish engulfing candle, but it's right under resistance. Is that strength or a trap? That's why you never read candles in isolation. You read them in context. Now zoom out. On a weekly chart, a strong green candle with no top wick isn't just price action. It's a message. Buyers dominated and weren't pushed back. That can set the tone for the week ahead. So here's your takeaway. Treat your candles like sentences. Read them as part of a larger story. Second, market structure is king. Now let's shift to what I believe is the most powerful tool in technical analysis. Market structure. No indicators, no noise, just clean price movement. Structure answers two questions. Where are we? Where might we go next? Let's break it down. An uptrend shows higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend shows lower highs and lower lows. It's simple, but it works again and again. Price makes a higher high, pulls back to a higher low, then pushes again. That rhythm, higher high to higher low, is the heartbeat of a trend. Now imagine the structure breaks, a lower low forms. That's your early warning signal. Not a guarantee, but a clue that sentiment may be shifting. Structure is time frame agnostic. You can read it on a 5-minute chart or a weekly chart. But the higher the time frame, the more reliable the signal. A weekly market structure break isn't noise, it's narrative. 3. Combining candles and structure. Now, let's put these two tools together. Imagine seeing a strong bullish candle forming a higher low on the daily chart. That's confluence. Or picture a weak weekly candle, right after a lower high. That's a signal, and it matters. Structure gives you the framework. Candlesticks give you the texture. Together, they stop the chart from being just a picture and turn it into a map. Fourth, mistakes to avoid. Quick word of caution. Many traders do this backwards. They look for setups before understanding the structure. They chase candles without context. Don't be that trader. Always ask, are we in a trend or a range? Are we approaching a key level? Are these candles showing strength or exhaustion? Your job isn't just to react, it's to interpret. Final thoughts. Let's recap today's episode. Candlesticks tell a story. Read them carefully. Market structure frames the entire move. Respect it. Together, they reveal where the market is likely headed and when it might turn. Every great trader I've met has mastered these two skills. No fancy indicators, just price, candles, and structure. If you do the work, if you slow down and truly read your chart, you'll begin to see what others miss. You'll see the intentions behind the price, and that's where your edge begins. What's coming next on our podcast? Next time, we'll take this one step further. Direction bias. How to determine the likely direction of the market and how this belief shapes your entries, exits, and conviction. If you get the direction right, half the work is done. So stay tuned. If you found value in today's episode, please like, subscribe, and share our podcast with your fellow traders. Also, you can follow me on Twitter or join my free Telegram group where I share setups and live insights. The link is in the description. Until next time, trader, stay focused, stay patient. And remember, the market is speaking. Learn to listen.